Imagine if your brain wasn't a fixed, unchangeable machine. What if your skills, your habits, even the very way you think could be altered? Not just through motivation, but through actual physical changes inside your skull. For most of the last century, scientists believed the adult brain couldn't really change. It turns out they were wrong. For decades, the core teaching in neuroscience was that once you left childhood behind, your brain was essentially set in stone. The connections between your brain cells, the neurons, were thought to be hardwired. Learning new things became slower, and significant change felt almost impossible. Any damage to the brain was considered permanent. This belief didn't just stay in the lab. It shaped everything from education and therapy to how we all thought about our own potential for growth. But then, researchers started noticing things that didn't fit this model. They saw stroke patients slowly but surely relearning abilities they had lost. They observed that in blind individuals, the parts of the brain once used for vision were being repurposed for other senses, like hearing and touch. They scanned the brains of musicians and found enlarged regions dedicated to finger control and sound processing. Brain scans confirmed the incredible truth. The brain physically changes itself in response to experience. New connections form between neurons. Old and unused connections weaken. Entire networks reorganize. Scientists gave this amazing ability a name: neuroplasticity. So, how does it actually work? Neuroplasticity doesn't mean your brain can instantly do anything you want. It's much more practical. The connections between your neurons get stronger the more you use them, and they get weaker when you don't. Every time you practice something, you strengthen that specific neural circuit. If you neglect a skill, that circuit begins to fade. This is the physical reason why habits form. It's why skills improve with repetition, and why making a change feels so hard at first, but gets easier over time. This has profound implications for you. Learning a new skill isn't just a mental exercise. It's a physical one. Each time you practice, you are literally reshaping your brain, one tiny connection at a time. This applies to learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, recovering from an injury, or even regulating your emotions and breaking old habits. Real, lasting change isn't just about raw talent. It's about sending consistent, repeated signals to your brain. So, your brain is not fixed, but it's not magic either. It changes slowly, predictably, and directly in response to what you choose to do, day after day. The science is clear. Who you become is shaped, in large part by how you decide to train your brain. Thanks for watching.